Hello, I just had to jump on and tell you about this beautiful topper. I don't usually have toppers in my wig shop, but I've got this topper. Oh, I love it. It is a silk top. So can you see that? How amazing the top is. It's so beautiful and long. Ah, I love it. The colours are so pretty. I haven't put it up on my wig shop yet. I'll try and do it this afternoon or tomorrow. Oh, it's just so thick and lovely. So this part is my hair, yeah? And then that's the topper. I've just plonked it on my head. I don't really do toppers because I have quite short hair. But I wanted to try something for summer and everyone's always asking me for toppers. So I wanted to get some nice toppers in. So this is the first of many that are coming. This is so beautiful. I can't stop touching it. Look at it. And it's so pretty. It's rooted. I'll show you how it goes on and off. It's a really big one. Okay? I'm not very good at this. I don't usually do toppers. So don't laugh at me. I've already had a good play with it, but okay. So I have short hair and I wanted to wear a topper. Look at that. Look at that, because it's silk. And look, if I turn it inside out, it's really quite big and quite thick for a topper. So you've got all those clips and then the front big clip. Can you see? And then all of that is the silk. So you can make any parting that you want really, because you've got the whole, almost the whole scalp is silk. And obviously real hair, real human hair. So you can curl it. You can straighten it. I've straightened this. Okay, so top tip as well. Okay, if you've got short hair and you want to wear a topper, because I put it on and you could just see my hair underneath and I looked like a crazy person. So what I did was I sell these little accessories for wigs in my shop. It flattens your hair out quite nice. So I just chucked it in a tiny, skinny ponytail. Look. So it's flat. It's nice and flat. So you can't see here. You could see in the corners that I was wearing something. So then, see, look how pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. And it matches my hair so well. I always try and get... I like to double check that I like what I'm selling, you know. So I always get one for myself first. Most important. Okay. So I've got a few of these in stock right now, but one is for me. Yeah. Because I am gonna love this in the summer. So you can even, I was even having a little look. You can even wear it without putting your own hair, because that actually doesn't look so bad. I was putting it on like this and then with all the clips and everything, and then pulling it a bit out and then messing about with it. That's how basically I was doing it. So I haven't even clipped that on. Look how pretty it is. I love it. And the hair is really nice and fluffy. Look at that. Oh my God, I love it. Stay tuned, because I'm going to put it in my my wig shop. So look, and then behind, you can't tell because it's flat. But as before, you could see my hair popping out. You could see it popping out here. I'm not really, I do 4 wigs. I always wear 4 wigs. So the fact that I'm doing a topper this time, oh my God, I love it though. It's beautiful. The silk is just beautiful. And it matches my hair so well. I'm in love with the topper.